I'm Seamus Rowe. I'm an electrical engineer. I did a Bachelor of Engineering Technology at MIT, and I work as a founder and engineer at Dotterel Technologies. We're based at Level 2, which is located in Parnell, and it's a building with quite a few tech companies and more practical technology than just software. Dotterel Technologies develops technologies to reduce drone noise as well as enable audio recording from UAVs. A lot of engineering is involved in our shrouds. We build a shroud which increases efficiency and dampens the noise of a drone. Drones get their name because they make a drone sound. It's very annoying, and it's going to be a large problem with the noise of them in the future. They're a lot safer these days, but there's still inherent risk. With shrouds we put on them, it also protects you from touching the propellers. There's a lot of applications, such as nighttime flights, where you don't want a drone flying over your house, or Amazon wants to deliver packages with them. So our audio recording technology that allows us to record audio from a drone, we're looking at using that in search and rescue applications. For 2019, our prototypes, we're trying to scale them down, so microphones need to be smaller, and also just different variations of our test platform, as well as speeding up our engineering capability. A typical day in the office at Dotterel can range from flying test platforms to debugging other drones or working on new designs.